This is my 2003 F-250 7.3 liter Powerstroke barn find. So I'm the second owner of this. Pretty clean, as you can see. Really clean interior, still has the cup holder, plastic piece and everything. Show you guys the miles right now. So only 92,000 miles, and I already drove it 300 miles. It was at 91 before. So this thing is super low miles. It's in decent shape. As you can see, the paint's a little bit rough, but it's 20 years old, you know. Missing a hubcap, but that's okay. Yeah, this thing has been super fun to drive. I've had it for a week now. Put on about 400 miles, both highway and city, and it drives great. The only thing is it did already leave me stranded. Starter went out, and I was stranded for like 4 hours trying to replace that. But other than that, it's been awesome. I mean, I love this thing. Super fun to drive, super slow definitely, but that's all right. Now we're gonna go get this thing cleaned up. Works amazing. It's super cold. It's all with the trailer brake. That's pretty nice if I ever want to tow anything. Civic. Kind of smells like oil when I stop at stoplights, so that's not good, but whatever. Anyone want a bottle of piss? Just by luck, it starts raining as soon as I wash my car, so awesome.